Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making banana cake using oats as opposed to banana bread. There's a difference, you know. So can you like my channel? Please subscribe and share with your friends. So let's get down to it. Here I have 3/4 cup of sugar and 100 grams of butter. I'm going to cream that up. I think this is the main difference between the banana bread and cake. Once it's creamed up like this and fluffy, I'm going to add the eggs one by one and mix it. Now you can actually continue to use your hand mixer. You can use a standing mixer, but apparently I was just on another P that day, so I decided to use my hand. Meanwhile, a lot of us learned how to bake cakes using our hands rather than machinery, so it's okay. So I feel this is the main difference and what makes cake fluffy as compared to the bread, because the texture was just completely different. The texture with this cake was just amazingly moist and cakey. Then the texture for the banana bread usually is just dense. Now you're going to add your mashed bananas. Give that a good stir. Don't worry even if it doesn't combine properly. Add half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that. So that's basically all our wet ingredients, and we are done mixing our wet ingredients. Time for the dry. Here I have 1 cup of flour and I'm adding 1.5 cup of oats. I have 1 teaspoon of mixed spices. I have half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just flicking that all out together. Now I'm going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. So for my oats, I had half a cup of oat powder and I had 1 full cup of like normal instant oats. So you mix that all up together just like that. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Don't worry if there are chunks of bananas in it. I think that's what makes it awesome. Once you're done mixing, transfer it into a greased pan. This pan has a baking sheet inside that was greased as well. So, yeah, yes. Then add some bananas on top of it. Well, it's just my fizzy, you know, being extra, like make it look beautiful at the end. So I went and did the same thing for my muffin pans, and then I realized that, oh, there's some cashew nuts somewhere, and I was like, wow, what am I going to do with these cashew nuts? I've never seen someone put cashew with banana bread before, so I was just like, okay, I will just try that. Like, what's the harm? If it's not nice, my tasters will like eat it like that. So I went and added it off camera. This is ready for baking. You bake for 50 to 55 minutes at 200 degrees. And it's ready, guys. Just look at that. Look, 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 look. Yum, 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 yum. So I think because I added baking powder and baking soda, which is what is making cake, that it came out like awesome. If it was banana bread, I'll use just baking powder. So you can have this with tea or anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, please subscribe, share with your friends. Mwah.